Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials so the claim moves fast. First, find your policy number, phone MA, and proof of purchase. These ID prove coverage. Next, photograph the damage clearly from several angles. Those images speed verification. Also verify your deductible and any time limits. If the insurer requires a report within 30 days, start now. Once done, open the insurer's claims portal or app and prepare to upload documents. That immediate action prevents avoidable delays and kicks off processing. You now focus on the middle steps where accuracy matters. Carefully fill each form field: incident date, location, cause, and a concise description. Errors cause rework. Upload high-res photos, your receipt, and a police report if theft applies, because documents prove legitimacy and accelerate approval. Then choose repair, replacement, or cash settlement based on your policy and personal need. Make sure to review entries and hit submit. Insurers flag inconsistencies, so precision here avoids denials or extra requests. Finish by monitoring the claim and acting on the adjuster's guidance. You'll receive a claim ID and an estimated timeline. Use that to check status and contact the adjuster with questions. When an offer arrives, approve the repair shop or accept the payout and retain all receipts for reimbursement. If the insurer denies coverage, request the denial reason in writing and file an appeal promptly. Include new evidence or a clearer explanation. This final follow-through closes your claim or sets up a successful challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.